Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how you can download and install NetBeans IDE on your computer. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So click the link in the description to reach this download page. Now click on the download button. Here you can download for Mac, Windows and Linux. I am downloading it for Windows. Again, click on the link and your download should begin. Once the file is downloaded, left click and open it. Click Next. Accept the agreement. Click Next. And here you have to provide the Java path, and if you haven't installed Java JDK, then check the link in the description to install Java JDK. Again, click Next and hit Install. Now that we have successfully installed it, let's run a simple program. As you can see here, it is working perfectly. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.